Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom contact fields in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can capture the exact information your team needs for people in organizations. Start by going to the top right corner of your Pipedrive screen and clicking on your profile icon. This opens the admin controls for your account. If you don't see all the options, you may need permission from your workspace admin. From there, click on Company Settings. This is where you control how your CRM is structured. On the left-hand side, find and select Data Fields. This section is where you define what information Pipedrive stores. Next, choose whether your field should be for people or organizations. Select People if the field is for individual contacts, like lead details or preferences. Choose Organizations if it applies to a company, like customer tier or renewal dates. Picking the right option keeps your data organized. Now, click the plus button at the top to add a new custom field. Give your field a clear and descriptive name so your team understands exactly what it's for. After that, choose a field group. This helps organize your fields into sections, making everything easier to find and manage. Then, select the field type. You can choose text for general input, number for values, date for timelines, single or multiple options for predefined choices, or a checkbox for yes or no values. Pick the type that best fits how you plan to use the data. Once everything is set, click Save. Your new custom field will now appear in the relevant contact or organization profiles, and your team can start using it immediately. And that's it. You now know how to create custom contact fields in Pipedrive quickly and easily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.